Hey everyone, it's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to bring your attention back to Amazon. This is ticker AMZN. Now, I don't know about you, but I sure am doing a lot of shopping on Amazon, so I don't know why the stock isn't ripping right now. I definitely think it's one that we need to keep an eye on, as it's really just delivered a nice sideways base of consolidation over the past month or so. So while we're all buying, Amazon is basing, and it's actually basing near a previous stock battle zone, as I like to call it, where price kind of had some volatility before back here, in the first quarter of 2022, just before it broke down. So we're just kind of testing the underside of that previous support. It is now current resistance. And so I definitely want to see if Amazon can kind of break above this 150 level and do it on volume. If I bring in Bollinger Bands, what you'll see is the Bollinger Bands are pinching. Sorry for the quick flip there, but the Bollinger Bands are coming closer and closer together, and all that really represents is just tighter and tighter price action. So back to my main layout here, nice tight price action, pretty clear resistance, and if I back up, you can see this is a definite battle zone that the stock needs some volume to break through. And so I would look for a strong move through that 150.70 level coming on volume as a trigger to potentially buy the stock. Now, I think you could definitely own this stock right here, right now, as the 21-day is definitely holding a support. So you have a clear line in the sand with that 21-day EMA. But if you're looking for the breakout and don't want to sit through more consolidation, I think that 150.70 level or just below is pretty clear. So I hope that video is helpful. I'll let you get back to your Christmas shopping. And if you want to check out what we're up to at StockMarketMentor.com, I invite you to take a trial. Click the link, StockMarketMentor.com, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.